Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job is to save you money. Today, just working on a 2009 Ford E150 Econoline 4.6 liter automatic two-wheel drive tail light. I know, nothing super excited, but you know what? Sometimes the little things can prevent you from having a ticket for missing a stoplight. We're gonna use a T15 and we're gonna just go right at it. It's one, two, three, four. All of them should be the same length, so not to worry about what we need to do, where it goes where. They're all the same. So now it's here. We're gonna twist, and there is. I'm gonna remove both of them and put this on the floor right here, and we're gonna go get the correct light bulb. 3357. Very important thing here. Now when you install a new one, do not touch it with you just fingers. Other way, whatever oil do you have on your hands, it's going to transfer to the glass, and with the heat it's going to damage prematurely the light bulb. Okay, so you can either wear some gloves or get it out of you, use your shirt, t-shirt, whatever you need, whatever you have. So just try not to touch it. All right, so let's go get a new light bulb. It's always a good practice to make sure that you look at the connector here and that is not damaged. If it is damaged, this socket, it needs to be replaced. Got a new light bulb 3357 there, so we're going to install it, and we should be able to put everything back. Same thing. Grab it, twist, grab it, twist, install it. Now here is plastic, so be mindful of that, which is the edge of the vehicle. You don't want to over tight anything, so you can crack this area, so remember that part. Beside that, everything should be okay. Once again, I know this is nothing super excited, but again, I just wanted to share it. I hope this helps somebody. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every single time that I upload a new video. And once again, as usual, God bless, do your best, forget the rest, and I will see you in the next video. Later.